Hey, it's Mr. Peterson. This is a short little tutorial about how to make a spreadsheet. Collected a bunch of data using the LabQuest probes, and we're going to make a graph, and I'm going to show you how to insert a trend line, which is going to give us a slope, which is going to give us a rate. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to do that. So if you recall, first thing we're going to do, clickety-doo-dah, shift, click down at the bottom here. I ran this experiment for 6 minutes. Okay, over here, 3 dots, insert chart. Don't like that kind of chart. Let's choose a line graph. This blue line is nothing but the 0 to 600. So I'm going to click on that. So now I've got a graph. You can see it kind of has a downward trend to it, but I'm going to customize it. I'm going to go to a different menu that I don't think we've used so far, and it's called Series. So if I click on Series, I'm going to add a trend line. Kazam! Look at that. Ooh, look at that line. That line is kind of faint. It's red. Its opacity is 40. I'm going to make it a little thicker than that, so it's 100. Look, that's a beautiful line. Now the other thing we're going to do, it has no label on the line. I want to label the line. I'm going to label the line with an equation that's going to give us the y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept, which tells me the slope. So here's the slope right up here. Now I'm going to show you something else too. This is like the trifecta of little short screencasts. So I'll just click on this. I'm going to move this to its own sheet to get it off of that one. Because you know, sometimes it's a pain, you kind of drag it all over the place. So there, now it's on its own sheet. So here's my slope. Here's my graph. Now, this is not complete. If I was going to use this, I would need to put a title on it, label the axes. Haven't done that yet. So one other thing I'm going to show you is how to figure out the slope using the power of the spreadsheet. So this is our time, right? So that's the x-axis. This is the y-axis over here. So what we're going to do, this starts at A2, that's cell A2, and that's cell B2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a formula in here, right over here, that is going to tell me equals slope, parentheses, it's the rise over the run. So that's the B over the A. So I'm going to go B2, and that actually goes all the way down, colon, to B152. In this formula, and now I put a comma there. Ooh, that's not a comma, that's an M. Now I'm going to say that now it's A2 colon A152 parentheses to close it out. And now, kazam, there it is. There's my slope, negative 0.109. But wait, over here on the chart, it says it's negative 0.11. Ooh, same thing, right? Look at those numbers. Those are the same. So that's how you take a graph, insert a trend line, move it to another page, and use the formula in the spreadsheet to figure out the slope. Slope is important, tells you rates. Hope that helps.